So this is question 44, and for this question we're given some objects made up by little square blocks, and we're asked which one of these 5 is a different shape from all the others. Now the quickest way to do this is to start from the first one and see if this is the same as any of the others, because if it's the same as any of the others then we can rule this one out, but also rule whichever one it's the same as out, and then we can proceed until we've only got one left. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so starting with A, here's A, then we're just going to see if we can rotate it onto any of the others. So let's have a go at doing that now. Okay, well, when we rotate it like this, we can see that it actually fits directly onto D. And so we know that A must be the same shape as D, so we can rule these two out. However, it's not the same as any of the other shapes. You could check this yourself by rotating them around. For example, there's no way we can rotate it to get B or C or E. So, okay, we've ruled out A and D. So why don't you pause the video and now, starting with B, see if you can decide if it's the same as C or E. Okay, so now we have B here, which we've just taken out. And we're going to see if this is the same as C or E, or neither. So let's just rotate it around and see what happens. Okay, well, we can see straight away that this is exactly the same as E. If we get the rotation precise enough, it's going to be exactly the same. And so we know that B and E are the same. We don't need to bother checking A or D because we've already ruled them out. And we've only got one option left. And so we can say now that B is ruled out because it's the same as E, so we can rule E out as well. And then we know that our answer must be C. You might be wondering how you tackle this sort of question in an exam situation when you wouldn't be able to pick these shapes up and rotate them. But it's worth noticing that in this question, because it's just a short question, we're not actually required to do any rotation into the page. It's all two-dimensional rotations, which we can find by spinning these shapes. So in the exam, you could just try twisting your page round and seeing if the shapes match up at all.